In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a ticket in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to enhance your project management skills with this robust tool, understanding how to efficiently move tickets within your Scrum board is essential for keeping your projects flowing smoothly. Once you've started a sprint, you'll notice that all the tickets you've created will be visible in the To-Do section of the board that you've set up in your Scrum project. This section is essentially where all your tasks initially land, waiting for someone to pick them up. Now, if you want to move a ticket from one stage to the next, you'll first want to click on the specific ticket on your board that you're interested in advancing. By doing so, you'll open up the ticket's details, where you'll find a drop-down menu for the status. Clicking on this drop-down allows you to change the status of the ticket. It's important to update the status accurately to reflect the ticket's current progress in the workflow. This helps your team stay informed about the task's state and ensures transparency across the board. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers a more hands-on approach, Jira offers a convenient drag-and-drop feature. You can move the tickets ahead in the process by simply dragging them from one column to another. This method is not only efficient, but also visually intuitive, allowing you to see the overall picture of the sprint's progress as you make your updates. To do this, just click on the ticket and drag it to the desired column, such as In Progress or Done. This can be particularly helpful during stand-up meetings or sprint reviews when you want a quick way to show the current status of your tickets. And that's pretty much all there is to it when it comes to moving tickets in Jira. Leveraging these simple actions, either by updating the status through the drop-down menu or using the drag-and-drop functionality, can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency, allowing your team to maintain momentum throughout the sprint. I encourage you to practice moving tickets back and forth if you're still familiarizing yourself with the tool. This practice will not only solidify your understanding, but also boost your confidence in managing tasks dynamically within Jira. Remember, the more proficient you become with these small operational details, the smoother your projects will run. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.